Hello, dear customers, and we are Linton Power. We have 20 years in this field of the generator sets, and our customers are located in more than 200 countries and regions all around the world. So today, I will introduce our 3 to 10 kVA portable generator sets to all of our customers. Hi, as you can see, this is our air-cooled generator set, and it only has 0.4 CDM, so it has very small volume, which can save a lot of shipping cost to you. And you can see we equipped with 4 wheels to this model, so it's very easy to move. That means you can move to any corner you want to place in. See it? It's very easy to move, and the quality is also very good. So as you can see, we equipped with silent shells and the noisy. We can produce very low noise models, especially in this type. Even is very lower than international standards. So you don't worry, it's very suitable use in your home or in your shops or some small industry equipments. So this model is our best-selling model for small generator sets, and many customers from Europe and Africa and North America also will order it for their shops, their home, or their industry. So we have full stock of the engine. If you're interested in this model, please contact all the professional sales. We will do our best to apply a very best price for you. Thank you.